Well, this is Ron and got Jared over here with Kingdom Roof and Fence. We're putting up this fence that fell down. It's pretty crazy. The wind actually blew it down. It was an 8-foot fence. So we're demonstrating the first part. We actually removed the fence from the post. What you see over here on the ground, these fence posts have been removed in the sections. We're putting the post up in the exact lengths as when they were first built, and then we're going to connect the fence tomorrow. Notice what we do is we mix the concrete up before we put it into the hole, and every single one of these holes are 3 foot deep. This particular hole right there has a water sprinkler that was going through it, so we were able to get around that one without damaging it. So carefully digging those holes, but it's going to be a great project, and we'll show you tomorrow what it looks like. But as you can see, besides this last post we're setting, we're all in line and we're all doing good. These are actually 12-foot posts, 3 foot in the ground, so we'll chop the other foot off and make it exactly 8 foot tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.